Good Monday afternoon, everybody. Hopefully you're enjoying your President's Day. I'm forecaster Nicholas Sutton here in the Weather Center with this Columbus, Ohio forecast. Today's date is February 20th, 2017. For those of you that are out of school today, you got a chance to go to the Columbus Zoo, where we are now hearing there's been a record crowd for one day, so expect traffic delays there. But otherwise, a nice afternoon has shaped up after a very foggy start to the morning. It took some time for the fog to burn off, but it is looking nice out there this afternoon. Taking a look as of the current observations at John Glenn International, it's currently 63 degrees with haze, and there's still some clouds, but the sun is out. Winds out of the southeast at 7. Visibility still sitting at 6 miles, though, so we haven't lost all the fog, but we're getting there. Looking at what's going on across the region, a wide variety of temperatures this afternoon. In fact, we actually have a 16-degree difference in temperatures across the region. Where it's coolest is up across the lakeshore. It's 50 in Cleveland, 52 at Ashtabula, and 55 at Sandusky. Although right along the lakeshore, if you live along the lake, it's likely even cooler than that. And then off to our west, where we've seen more sunshine, temperatures warmer to the mid-60s this afternoon, west of I-75, generally speaking, where it's 66 in Muncie, 64 in Fort Wayne, Wapakoneta and Dayton checking in at 64. Off to the east, clouds. It's taking a little bit longer to move out, but I expect all of you to reach the 60s this afternoon. We're still hanging on to 57 in Zanesville and New Philadelphia, Parkersburg checking in at 61, and Portsmouth checking in at 64. Looking at the visible satellite here this afternoon, again, not a whole lot going on cloud cover-wise. Those have started to move out, and that's allowed for the temperatures to warm up this afternoon, except to the east. You can see around Cambridge and Canton, those clouds kind of lingering. There are some of their high, thin clouds started moving from the west ahead of our next system. We'll talk about that in just a moment. But first off, though, if you're heading out tonight across Columbus, perfect night for anything you have planned. We start out right around 60 degrees at 6 o'clock. We fall into the 50s by midnight. It's going to be a slow drop tonight. We're going to have some increasing clouds and light winds, so that'll kind of act as a little bit of a blanket, so that way not all of the heating of the day will escape. But for tonight, we're falling to 47 with increasing clouds. We do remain dry here in central Ohio, but after midnight in some of our western counties across Indiana, a few showers may start to work their way in, but we remain dry here in Columbus, low 47, light east wind. For tomorrow, those winds turn to the southwest with rain showers becoming likely. Not expecting any thunderstorms, though. High right around 65, and the chance of rain currently sitting at 70%. If you've not seen our posts from earlier today, we are keeping a very close eye on Friday. There is an area we are currently monitoring for the potential for some strong thunderstorms. It's too early to really pinpoint any details as to timing and where the worst of the thunderstorms could be and what kind of thunderstorms we may see. The system still out in the western United States and still has a lot of time yet before it starts to work into our neck of the woods. But we are going to keep a close eye on it here for you. Again, just keep that in mind. On Friday, we may see some strong thunderstorms. I think it's going to be more towards the afternoon and evening time right now. But again, this area may shift, may get larger, may get smaller. As we start to get a little closer to it, we'll be able to fine-tune things for you. Now let's jump to the 5-day forecast, because we're going to see some warmer temperatures for all week. It's looking excellent out there for most of the week. For tomorrow, get a high of 65 with rain showers becoming likely. Those will start to end Tuesday night. Wednesday, we're back to partly sunny skies, highs in the mid-60s. Then we get into a small chance of showers and thunderstorms Thursday and Thursday night, and that is going to be with the disturbances actually out ahead of the main system, and this may complicate things for Friday afternoon. We'll have to see. Again, that's one of the things we're keeping a close eye on for Friday, is do we get anything Thursday that kind of prevents anything bad from happening on Friday. A lot of specifics still to be nailed down, but some potential for some strong thunderstorms maybe Friday afternoon to the early overnight hours. High of near 71 on Friday is what we're going with right now. Temperatures will start to fall on Saturday. We will start to see the sunshine return, though, by later in the day. Highs to be in the 50s. That'll probably be a midnight high, and by Saturday night, we're back into the upper 20s, so it's a taste of winter returning to the region. We'll keep you posted on Friday and with the remaining of the week's weather right here on Facebook, so keep it tuned. I'm forecaster Nicholas Sutton. Have a good rest of your evening, everybody. We'll see you back here next time.